So, friends, practice started because of one or the other desire. We practice usually sattvika desire is called for improving ourselves spiritually. That desire is called sattvika desire. That kind of desires. So we started with that. Shuddha sattvika is for others, society, what we can do for others. That kind of desire. So sattvika's desire is started, and the desire is to reach the brahmanandam sthiti. And once I attain the brahmanandam sthiti, the major lesson learned needs to be learned in the earth. Once you learn the lesson, you need not to be bound to the earth plane again. Still, created one intention, that Shuddha Sattvika intention, that is teach meditation to others. With that intention, sticking to the earth plane. And I remember days where I thought, why Osho left his body in 60s and why Buddha left his body only at the age of 80. He could have lived for 100 years. 100 years, I felt that's an important thing. So we came from long distance, from different places to the earth. I'm a slow traveler. Wherever I go, I stay at least one day, meditate, take time, and go to the next place. So some people are in a rush towards seeing all the places in a less time. Morning one place, afternoon place, evening one place, night one place, like that, or 5-6 places. We need to cover as many places as possible to see them. When Osho and Buddha died, I felt, why they could have lived for some more days. They achieved so much greatness in terms of enlightenment. And they started teaching, and many thousands and lakhs of people are also learning from them. Why? They could have lived some more days, some more years, at least 100 years. I thought that. And that's the reason. That reason appeared in my vision or mind. So, okay. Once anybody gets brahmanandam, reaching the highest enlightenment, they usually, out of 100 people, only 33% of the people will die without doing anything. They'll be just like that, sitting like that. They will die. The die means the earth looks like dying, but they just vacate their body immediately. They'll just sit without doing anything. Because of the Brahma, they're experiencing Brahma, and the body decay happens. They'll leave. For some people, they choose that, okay, nourishment is everywhere. The body also lives for some more days. Or some other person, people will be coming and feeding them milk or some other things. The people will take care. People are surroundings. Another 33 people, out of 100 people, first 33 people will be gone. Another 33 people will be living like, they don't want to talk about it. They're just living in that. Because they'll be like fakirs. And they're like mad fellows. Like they're just walking, they'll be like beggars, and they're not at all caring about the world at all. They're just living in their place. Some or the other person will be coming and feeding them, they eat, and they just sleep for some more days and they'll vacate the body. Only 33 people, 32, on the last 33 to 34 people, they feel like, let me teach, I got it. So much struggle. Now I know the formulas very well. Let me teach. And they, or some of the other attachment they create. As of now, they're beyond all the attachments, beyond the Maya. Still they create some or the other Maya. They stick into one particular thing, anyone. So, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa created his own illusion. He's fascinated towards the food, eating food. Once his wife was asking, Sharadama asking, "You're teaching Brahmanandam on our class. Many people came to attend the class. You're talking about Brahmanandam, amazing level. Every 2-3 minutes, you're asking me, hey, food is prepared or not? Food is prepared or not? Every 2-3 minutes. Sharada, is food prepared? Is it getting ready? Like, why are you asking like that? People think that you're talking about Brahmanandam, but you don't have common sense, that you don't even have the control towards your hunger. People think in that way, right? He says, whenever I do not ask about the food, know that that's where I decided to vacate my body. Within 3 days, I'll be vacating my body. And it so happened again after, when the time came for him, he didn't ask for the food one day. Ma Sharadama understood. And within 3 days, he vacated his body. So, some of the other attachment, with awareness, they created. So, Brahmananda is such a level on the earth. One needs to attain the Brahmananda. So, at least feeling that I am attaining the Brahmananda, connecting with the whole. Ananda is the happiness and bliss inside your physical body, inside your skin, inside your physical body, every cell in your body, recognizing that that's jumping with joy, blissful dancing. That is Ananda. Brahmanandam. Mahadanandam is in your aura also. The air around you, the aura also. Energy particles, you're enjoying them. So Brahmananda is the whole universal bliss is yours, connecting with that. Gudakesha is a practice to attain that. So one needs to be at least continuing the Gudakesha till you attain the, confidently attain the Brahmananda state. And again, I definitely tell everyone that once you attain the Brahmananda, again, live in the society, continue to live in the society. But until you reach the age 100 years, keep on spreading about the Brahmananda. Keep on spreading about the Ananda Brahma. That is what our purpose, our life, that is what the design. We are living, we all live for 100 years, peacefully, healthily. Also, by spreading the concept of meditation. Okay, everybody can type. Those who resonate with this concept can type 100 years. So, it is tested, simple, scientifically also tested. 2 rats, lab rats, they took some rats, they kept some cycle pedal. The rat is pedaling cycle. Then certain gas they emitted, where they get in their brain, certain happiness chemicals are releasing. And then that is taking that gas, and it is happy. The rats are happy. And a little bit, they just need to, all the food is kept just behind the rats. They just need to, or in front of the rats. They just need to stop the pedaling for 1 minute and go and take the food to leave the life, and extend the life. But rats chose that not to stop the pedaling, because they are getting the joy, happiness when they are pedaling. They never stopped it. They continued. So, in the same way, until they die. For the small hormone, for a small certain gas, where certain pressure points, certain pressure part of the brain is getting affected. That's behavior is like that. They never chose to take the food at all. So the difference is there between them and the enlightened people like us. Once we get the Brahmananda, we feel Brahmananda is the one where all of the desires of the human are fulfilled. Once the desire is completed, another desire, another desire, another desire. Like that, infinite desires are there for the humans. And all the infinite desires are fulfilled. That kind of a satisfaction comes with the brahmananda. The consciousness expands to all the future infinity. And that kind of a happiness, the satisfaction comes once we get the brahmananda. So, still, although we got the brahmananda, satisfaction came, still we continue, we extend our life for others because actually there is no need to extend also, because already the minimum teaching also needs to be done. You already done all your spreading seva also. Then only it will come. It doesn't come until you pass the test. Until certain key ingredients. The seva is also part of it. Once you do your seva, your part of your seva, then only it will come. Once it came, that means that you already did all of your homework and everything, seva and minimum teaching, what you know the best, you already taught that. Already spreading, you conveyed the message, everything you've done. There is no need to do anything. You're not bound to anything. Still, out of compassion for other human beings, we choose to stay on the earth for 100 years. That is compassion, friends. So that's about today's concept. So continue. The 40 days is just the beginning for many things to explore in the future further. Brahmananda, at least until you reach the Brahmananda, continue the Gudakesha. Amazing benefits are going to happen. Currently, whatever the product of the karma we are undergoing, health-wise or mind-wise or financial-wise, anything. Product of the karma, if there is any difference, effect, we are perceiving. But certain bag of karmas are there. Sanchita karmas, certain karmas or plan for this life, future, agami karmas. Many this life and next life, all the karmas are waiting. Those all karmas are also penetrated and they are getting cleared, which we cannot perceive them. It is happening in the other background. What we see is the tip of an iceberg, the benefits. But what is going on is 100 times, 1,000 times, infinite times powerful. Results are taking place inside your consciousness. So be thankful to all that great things which are happening. The background, the foreground we know little bit. Yes, Lakshmi Devi, in dreams I realized it. Wonderful, amazing, such a perception. Not. So friends, continue, practice as much as possible. Every night, sit in meditation. That gives tremendous results.